All right, what's going on, everybody? It's JA here, and for today we're taking a look at my latest pickup. So we got the ALD New Balance 860 V2. This pair recently released for $150, and I couldn't wait for these to come in because the 860 V2 is a model that has a lot of interesting history when it comes to New Balance. This pair originally released back in 2012, and what's really cool about this model is that this sole actually brought a resurgence back to a lot of cool New Balances, kind of giving them a modern take and bringing them to the present. So I'm referring to the 2002R as well as the 1906R, two great current models from New Balance that infused this 860 V2 sole. So I think it's great that New Balance, teamed up with ALD to make this pair something special. And for me, I feel like out of the three colorways that dropped, I really had a difficult time making a decision. Of course, you had the green, which is an ALD staple, the green with the gold. Then you had the red pair, and I'm not even gonna lie, I kind of regret not going for the red, but here we got the blue pair, which is really great. And I feel like one of the reasons that I went with the blue option is due to the fact that I kind of thought that out of the three colorways, the blue may be the least popular, which kind of gave me a better chance in the raffle. Plus, I love the fact that you have that OG blue colorway, which is really unobtainable now. So why not give it an update? Of course, this time you got the little hints of gold in there, but we'll get into that here shortly. So ALD was founded in 2014 by Teddy Santis, who, without any background in fashion, started an urban menswear line in Queens, New York. With his Greek background, his love for 90s hip hop and urban culture, he created a streetwear line that would later be known as an elevated and urban preppy streetwear brand. So to be quite honest, I've never been one to really buy into the whole ALD brand, but after getting these joints in hand, I have to say that I am quite impressed by the quality and craftsmanship that you have here, from the cool box with the green and gold with the MB on the top, to the dust bags that come in hand with this to just kind of give it more of a luxury feel. So I feel like that was a really awesome touch. On top of the standard blue and white laces, you also have a backup pair of cream laces, as well as a nice touch with the blue and cream laces as well. So I'm not sure which pair I'm feeling the most, but we'll just keep it standard for now. So New Balance does dash shoes the best, and the 860 V2 is really that quintessential go-to dash shoe runner type of vibe that I'm looking for, given that 2000s Y2K aesthetic. So this sneaker features a mesh base with this breathable kind of netting material that you'll see throughout the top. Now, you also feature these synthetic blue panels going across that also features that metallic silver. Of course, you got the iconic New Balance N, but on the toe cap, you got this hint of gold. Now, the gold color is a little bit loud, I would say, but I feel like it definitely gives some character to this sneaker. And of course, the gold is a quintessential, iconic ALD color. So I feel like it was a pretty interesting touch nonetheless, but a little different than the OG. So you have the floral crest logo at the back heel area, the 860 V2 branding, and then on the tongue, of course, you got the standard ALD logo, and that completes the look. So you got a low profile shoe that I feel like looks great with joggers, sweatpants, jeans, pretty much anything. You could wear these joints with shorts. They're comfortable. This sneaker is designed for running, so it's pretty much equipped for any occasion. But for me, I just feel like they look good, and I just feel like this is a great looking model from New Balance. So super happy with my purchase right here, but still kind of regretting maybe not going for the red pair. But regardless, I feel like the blue pair is dope. So I'm really curious to know if you guys went for these. It seemed like a lot of people got success when it comes to the raffle. So I'm not sure if they made a lot of pairs of these or if these just weren't popular or what, but I'm really digging these. Now, in terms of the comfort and sizing, a lot of you guys may have questions since the 860 V2 has kind of made a resurgence as of lately. In terms of sizing, true to size is definitely the way to go with this model. I'm a 10.5. Pick these up in my true to size 10.5. They feel great. I wouldn't suggest to go half down, and I really wouldn't suggest to go up a size either. I mean, they just feel good on feet how they are. Now, in terms of the comfort, if you guys own the 1906R or the 2002R, you should already know the 860 V2 sole feels great on feet. It's got good arch support, which is a quality that I really never cared about much until I started wearing New Balance. Now, in terms of the upper, I would say it's standard. It's not super wide, but I feel like it definitely has a standard fit, not really narrow like a Nike or Adidas model. So on feet, they feel great, but we'll have to wait and give this a little more time till we get the true wear test. But off the first impressions, I would say that these feel great and they live up to the quality and craftsmanship that I've come to expect now from New Balance. Now, I did want to dedicate this video to a very special person out there, somebody that watches the video and left a comment on my New Balance 610 review, which I just dropped recently. Make sure you guys check it out if you haven't done so. Yeah, he said, "JA, leave the New Balance to us collectors. Stick to your Yeezys. This model is trash." So just want to let you know, bro, if you're watching, this video is definitely for you, and it's people like you that are gonna keep my love for New Balance going. So I feel like that's one of the problems with the sneaker community. It's like nobody can just like what they like. I've definitely been feeling New Balance a lot more this year, so I'm just gonna continue to keep on buying more pairs. So I'm super happy with these joints right here. The ALD 860 V2 with the blue colorway. I mean, I really didn't care about the ALD collab at first. I really just wanted to try the 860 V2, but once I opened these up and saw the quality and just the cool little details that you got with the ALD collab, it's really, you know, made me come to appreciate it. And I guess I kind of am a little hype beast because I do kind of like the fact that these are a little more special and limited than just your standard pair. So another great addition to the collection. Let me know what you guys think about these joints down below. Salute to you for tuning in. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Love.